Hello everybody, today we have in here a brand new ceiling fan with lights that I received for reviewing purposes. We get all the instruction manuals and all the important information about this ceiling fan, which I think that it's nice because it has some reversible fan blades, okay? We got them in two colors and it seems like a simple installation as we get every piece that we are going to use, all the screws and everything, all the components of the proper main fan. We got two down rods depending of the height that we're going to leave it, this larger one or smaller one. I'm going to use the smaller one, okay? The lights are LEDs, which I think that it's great. And as I've said, it seems like a simple installation. So let's start assembling everything up and let's see how it looks, okay? Come on. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's ready now that I have it already installed. I can change the temperature of the light, which I think that it's really nice. I also can dim it or brighten it up. We have a 6-speed reversible motor, which I think that it's nice because you can use it on winter and on summer time, which I think that it's great. It's a really powerful ceiling fan and I like it because you can also set it up as a simple breeze mode. It will be really comfortable, and overall because it was really easy to install, it's really beautiful and it has some great functions as quickly changing the temperature and being able to dim it. I think that it's great and I would really recommend that. It's perfect to place it in your bedroom, your dining room, or wherever you need it. So what do you think? See you.